Are you struggling to find the right balance between screen time and offline activities for your kids? With technology being an integral part of their lives, managing screen time can be a challenge for many parents. Luckily, Google Family Link provides a convenient way to monitor, control, and encourage healthy digital habits for your children. Here's a quick tutorial on managing your children's screen time effectively in 2024. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna install the Google Family Link. If you haven't already, download the Google Family Link app on your smartphone, and then follow the prompts to create your follow the prompts to create a family group and link your child's Google account to yours. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna access the screen time. Open the family link, all right, and then sign in with your parent account. Tap on the name of the child, right, whose screen time settings you want to manage, and then view their screen time. All right, and basically tap on the activity. Let's click the three bars right here, click their name, and then basically here you can find in the activity the summary of your child's screen time usage, including how long they've spent on different apps and devices, right, or services. Take a moment to review their activity patterns, right, and basically this will help you make an informed decision about any adjustments you want to make. All right, set a daily limit. Right, navigate to their screen time. In your child settings menu, find the option for screen time or daily limits, and then choose the maximum amount of screen time you'd allow your child each day. All right, and then enable the bedtime. All right, under the same screen time settings, if you're using iPhone, you can just go ahead, or if they are using iPhone, go ahead to the settings, and then go ahead to the general, then not the general, you're gonna see the screen time right here. You're gonna be able to limit the apps by clicking limiting the apps on your phone, and then encourage your child to wrap up their activities and prepare for bed by setting reminders that notify them a few minutes before bedtime restrictions kicks in. All right, and after implementing screen time controls, you regularly return to Family Link app to monitor your child's usage. This will help you stay informed and make adjustments as needed, and discuss the screen time rules with your child, explaining the reasons behind your decision and encouraging them to take breaks and engage in other activity. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.